Gunakar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please take the lab part.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, regarding the certificate, you will
Yes,
be
sir.
receiving the course completions.
The lab part. Yeah, okay.
Okay, you will be receiving the course completions from Credly. Okay, offered by sponsored by Google itself. Okay, there won't be any kind of certificate kind of thing, but we are trying to give that as well. I'm not. I cannot give you that assurance now to give square shape or rectangular shapes kind of certificates, but you can get a verifiable link. Okay. Yeah, Gunakar, please.
Yes, sir. Okay, guys. Today we'll be seeing the lab. It is provision cloud infrastructure of Gemini. It is in the module 2. It is intermediate module in the second part. Okay. Just start our lab. Open this console in the incognito window. Agree the terms. So guys, in this lab, we will be using the terminal. Okay. We will be not using the interface. I will be using the terminal. It is in the cloud shell. I will be working with the commands, Google commands given by the Gemini. Just click on continue. Okay. And now in this lab, we don't have any access to the Gemini. So we'll be first enabling the Gemini and then we will continue our lab. Okay. For that, just go to the task one. Okay. Now, and we'll be storing our project IDs and regions in the variables. So just run this command. Yeah, our project ID and region are stored in these variables, project ID and region. And now let's store our Google user account also, current Google user account in the variables user. Run this command. Click on authorize. And now we'll be giving the cloud APIs for our project, enabling the cloud API projects. Just run this command. Okay, done. And now we will be giving the roles like IAM roles for our project. Run. Okay. First time, just wait for 1 minute. It will reflect in the progress. Okay, that's done. And now let's just refresh our window so that we will get the Gemini. Okay, as you can see, we have access to the Gemini now. Okay, just click on this icon. This will opens the Gemini chart. Just click on Start Chart. Okay, and now using this Gemini, we will be deploying these Kubernetes clusters in our project. Further, just go to the task 2 here. Copy this command, like ask Gemini, like how we will be deploying the Kubernetes clusters in the cloud. Okay. And Google has given the ways of deploying this Kubernetes in our clouds. Just go through these ones. Okay. Then next, to deploy GKE clusters, like Google Kubernetes Engine clusters, just ask the Gemini how we can create a cluster. Okay. These are the ways to create a cluster. We are using Cloud Console or CLI. For now, we are using Cloud CLI, that is using this terminal Cloud Shell. And we can also create clusters using these Kubernetes Engine clusters. For this lab, we will be using this Cloud CLI. Just ask the Google, like, what is the command for creating these clusters? You can see this is a command. From using this, we can create GKE clusters in our environment. So just click on this copy to Cloud Shell icon, and this command will automatically copied here. Just click enter to run this command. Okay, and for generating this cluster and deploying this cluster, it will take roughly 5 to 10 minutes. We have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and we can also check the process here in the UI, like in the Kubernetes engine. Click on these clusters. As we can see, our cluster, it is Gemini demo. It is creating now, and the status will be updated once it is deployed successfully. It will be like status will be green tick mark will be appear here. So we have to wait for 10 minutes. Okay, guys, the cluster has deployed successfully. The status is here is running. So if we check here status, for that, just click on this refresh. Okay, the status has given a green tick mark, so we can continue with the next one. Just check our progress here. Yeah. So now let's deploy here. We have deployed GK cluster. Right now, just deploy a sample web application using Gemini. For that, we just copy this command and ask this to the Gemini. Okay. It is given as this command. So just run this command using this copy to cloud shell icon. Click on this and click on enter. Okay, we have created a hello server web application. Now, just copy this. So we need to upload that in the port 8080. So just give that prompt here. Okay, run this command also using this cloud shell icon. Click on enter. Okay, server is exposed in the 8080 port. Just okay. If you want to upload that in the external IP server, for that we need to copy that prompt and give this to the Gemini. Okay, copy this into the cloud shell and run this. Okay, it has done complete successfully. And now if you want to check this external IP address where the web application is deployed, just copy this command and run it here. Okay, it is in the pending, so we have to wait. It is uploading in the external IP. Wait for some time. Okay, we get the external IP here. Okay, now we have successfully uploaded the web application using this Gemini. So now just check our progress here. Okay, that's it. We have successfully completed the lab. Also check our progress here. Yeah, we have completed our lab successfully. Just end the lab. Yeah. So guys, if you have any queries in the lab, like any step you missed, or if you want to repeat that step again, you can unmute yourself and ask your queries. Anyone having any queries, guys?